bring it back. Still loud, but it's a cleaner loud. Yeah, the sound is cleaner. It's got a nice stance to it. And you guys can follow him on Instagram. There's his Instagram and his Snap. Follow his build. Keep going. Again. What do you guys think? True duals with high flow cats. I think it's neat. It's alive! Look at how it tilts. You see the tilt? Oh, it sounds so much better. You cannot beat true duals with 5-inch tips. Your sound decibels? It peaked at 117, so I was close. I thought about 120 because I forgot about the 2.5 inch. If it was 2 1/4, it would have been probably 120. Yeah. Yeah. Because the sound passes. It's deeper when it's big. The bigger the pipe, the deeper the sound. The smaller the pipe, the louder it is. That sounds so good. You like it?
Oh yeah.
If you have it really close to the ground. That's what you've been looking for. Did I make you happy? Heck yeah! That's awesome. That's why I went with the 5-inch 40. It makes it a little bit different. Gives it a lot deeper sound. Oh, it sounds so good.